Good Tuesday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like dry weather coming up on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, rain chances will climb to a 50% coverage late day, go to nearly a 100% coverage. Looks like light stuff coming up Friday night. Some leftovers Saturday morning, but overall the weekend looks chilly, significantly colder with just a few showers. So mainly dry coming up this weekend. Monday and Tuesday, though, more wet weather and chilly temperatures, our favorite kind of weather. In fact, significantly colder weather conditions are expected as we head on into the weekend and the first half, really much of next week. Fairly mild right on through Friday. Then the cold front comes through and we could be looking at temperatures running anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees below normal coming up next week. And in fact, by Sunday morning could be into the mid to upper 30s across Southeast Texas as some of the coldest weather we've seen in months arrives in our area. Ridge of high pressure over us right now. We're focusing in on our trough of low pressure over towards the west coast. That trough of low pressure will head off to the north and east and drag our cold front into our area coming up on Friday as winds will shift to the north and west. There's the showers that we're expecting. In the tropics, watching Tropical Storm Nicole, it has turned tropical rather than subtropical. It's about 350 miles to the east of the Atlantic coast of Florida, expected to turn into a hurricane and make a landfall coming up early Thursday morning and then get turned to the north and then back off to the northeast, well east of our area. Why is this occurring? It's because of strong westerly shear over the western Gulf of Mexico, which keeps it closed for any tropical activity. Our season's pretty much done, but again, this will turn off towards our east. One caveat is that we're going to be watching a benefit, the wraparound that hurricane as it makes its way towards Florida. It'll drag a weak cold front and drier air mass into our area coming up on Thursday with abundant sunshine. So tonight we're looking at mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Looks generally dry. Temperatures will drop into the mid to upper 60s across the area. And then for tomorrow, looks mainly dry as high temperatures under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies reach the low to mid 80s. On the Gulf of Mexico, looking at slightly choppy seas around 2 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast. Easterly winds at 10 to 20 knots are expected, water temperature at 73. Our forecast tonight, mostly clear, some patchy fog, lower to middle 60s as winds go calm. Then for your hump day, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies are expected with an east to southeast wind. High temperatures will be into the mid 80s, so it'll be another warm, humid day. That all changes as we work on in to Thursday as that drier air mass filters on in behind that weak front. Then on Friday, we'll start off dry, go to a 50% coverage late day, and then an 80 to 90% coverage Friday night. So not looking favorable for Friday night football, but at least we're not expecting lightning. This is going to be light rain, and it's going to be turning chilly Friday night and this weekend. We may have a few leftover showers in the triangle Saturday morning, but overall the weekend's going to be dry. It's just going to get progressively colder, especially Sunday morning. Then more rain arrives coming up late day Monday night into Tuesday. Lows in the 40s, highs maybe cooler than what we have, mid to upper 50s expected. The chilly weather conditions will persist right on through much of next week. Finally, the sun may return by Friday a week out. So how about winter returning to Southeast Texas? Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.